Hi everyone, this is Aras from English for Everyone. This is the second lesson on preposition of time. I had another lesson on preposition of time, and in that video I talked about at, in and on. But there are some more expressions that we're going to talk about and we're going to learn in this video. So let's do it. There are three more prepositions I would like to talk about in this video before I close this video, and that is four of them: before, during, while and after. Okay, before an event, before a film, before a meal, before an accident. Okay, that is something prior, or let's say something that comes first. Okay, so I say before this class I was at home. Okay, that is talking about some time prior, or that it comes sooner compared to what I'm doing right now, compared to the time being. Okay, so I say before the match. Okay, there is a match. Okay, there is a football match, let's say, and when I say before match, it means before the kickoff, before the referee whistles, before it started. Okay, not started yet, that time, something that comes before. So we use before, you know that, that's clear. And then we use during. Okay, we use during, and then so that is from the kickoff up to the up to 90 minutes. That is the duration of the game, so we say during the game. And then when it's finished, when we want to talk about that time, we say after the football match. After. Okay, so before, after and during. But there is another thing, while. When do we use while? Let me give you an example. For example, I say, during the game, I was doing my homework as well. During the game, I was doing my homework. It means between the start and end of the game, I was doing my homework. So that is clear when that was. And while is also used. While it refers to the same time. While comes between the start and the end of the game. But I would use during when I refer to the game as a noun. Okay, so during the game. Okay, game is a noun. During the war, that is a noun. During the conference, during the concert. So that is a period of time, and from start to the end, but I am mentioning that period of time with a noun. During the concert, I use the name of that event. Okay, during the concert, during the conference. But I use while when I am talking about an action. Okay, while I was watching the game, I was doing my homework as well. While watching, while eating, while running. Okay, so that is the action. When we use while, when we look at the event as an action. Okay, while I was watching the game, while I was listening to the concert, while you were here. Okay, so we are talking about someone doing something, okay, an action, then we use while. Don't mix these two up. Alright, I had enough time to just list them for you, so you've got the list. You might find it useful to write them down and have a note, take a note. You might stick it somewhere in your room so that you can go through and memorize them, or make some examples. So take your time and make as many examples as you like. And if you doubt about any of them, if you have questions about any of the words that we talked about, the prepositions, just comment them below the video and let me know. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video, and up to then, bye!